Today, let's make it simple. This guide will help you understand development boards perfect for first-time users. Start with the most important part. This module is board's brain. It's powerful enough to run basic smart program with smooth performance. Remember these two ports? Type-C handle power and data transfer, while the USB port supports extensional storage and peripherals. These buttons are incredibly practical. Reset, restart system when needed, while user key can be customized for various functions like camera, triggers, or wake-up commands. Here is a TF slot for expanded storage. This microphone opening supports audio input, perfect for voice-based projects. And for display project, these extensive pin headers offer great flexibility. Add a screen for visualization, can add a camera for imaging, easily customized even for beginners. Well done! You are now familiar with development boards basic. You will feel confident handling boards next time. And if you ever get curious or want to see what others are building, come hang out with us on Discord. Connect with developers worldwide, share your project, and get real-time support. See you in our next practical session.